Hello and welcome friends. My name is Devashish and today I am unboxing a very special Ducaso Celebrate Happiness pack which has Bluetooth speaker, power bank, Bluetooth headset, smart watch and universal travel charger. As you can see, it's a very big box of happiness. On the back side, here you can see specification of all the products. Now let's open this box and celebrate happiness. So here is a very big package. Look at this box. Whoa, it looks like some luxurious box. Look at this. Seriously, it's really classy and luxurious packing. Red and black combination. It's very soft material. It's like sponge material. I love the packing. Here you use a guide for all the products. And here is Bluetooth headset. USB cable. Here Bluetooth speaker. Then here is a Ducaso fitness watch and charger also. Then power bank and universal charger. First, let's check out the speaker. So it's really light and compact speaker and stylish black and red color look, glossy finish look. Here we have auxiliary slot, TF card, USB slot and charging slot. And here is on off button. And here play, pause and mode and call function. So now let's switch it on.
Bluetooth.
I just connected my phone with the Bluetooth and now let's play the music. You can change songs from here. Sound quality is really amazing. You can change mode from here. You can play FM, change station from here, and play time is around 3 hours.
Bluetooth.
You can even receive and cancel call from this button also. Now let's talk about this power bank. It's really slim and sleek, just 8 mm thickness power bank and very lightweight. And here you can check the battery status. Here is charging port to charge power bank and this is to charge your phone or any device. It has 400 MHz lithium polymer battery. It has 4 protection design to prevent overcharging, short circuit protection, temperature protection and intelligent control circuits. Power bank is now necessity for everyday use. Now let's talk about this Bluetooth headset. It has really unique design and it also has red and black color combination which looks cool. Metal caps for durability and sound enhancement. Magnet cap act as holders. So here is charging port to charge this headset because it works with battery. To start this, you need to press and hold this button. Here you can see these lights, so it means it's on now. You can use all functions with these buttons: volume up and down, hold and press for next and previous songs, short press this button for pause and play, and lot of other functions. Play time is around 5 to 6 hours. Now let's talk about this universal charger. It has really nice build quality and really matte finish look. Here you can adjust which port you want. Push this button and then slide to left side for UK type, right side for US and Australia type, and middle one is for Europe. So like this you will get 3 types so that you can plug it as per your requirement. Here there are 2 USB ports also to connect USB cable. This charger is really best and useful for traveling and other purpose. Now let's talk about this watch. So here is a Ducaso Smart Fitness watch. It has very small OLED display and silicone strap which has nice quality. On the back side here is a charging port. Connect this charger here like this and then you can charge this watch. To use the watch you need to download VeryFit app in your phone and pair it with Bluetooth to your Android or iOS device. Now let's talk about features. Press this button. Here you can see the current timing, date, day and battery status. If you press this button again, here you can see the total steps you have taken. Here you can see total calories you have burned. And here you can see the total distance you have covered. Press and hold this button to enter the sleep mode. You can see the total timing of your sleep with this function. Press and hold this button again to exit the sleep mode. Check out the link in the description for more details about this watch. So this combo pack is really amazing and you can use it for daily purpose also, and it's reasonable. It's totally worth it, so just go for it. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you have any question you can comment below, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.